Yes, the winners of the flexible volume profile for MetaTrader 4 is Kevin from YouTube comments and Jandre from Facebook comments. So congratulations guys, just shoot me an email, I'll send the profile over to you. And also thanks so much to all for participating. I'll do another contest for the next week, so to participate in the contest just like the video and comment below the video. And the next week in the next video I'll pick randomly from the YouTube comments and from the Facebook comments, and those two people that I'll pick will win the flexible volume profile for MetaTrader 4. Alright, so that's for the contest, and let's now have a look at the trading ideas. Let's start with intraday trading ideas. The first one is on the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. And this idea is based on the weekly point of control. So if you look at this chart, this is a 60 minutes chart of the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, and those profiles are weekly profiles. So the previous week's point of control, the heaviest volumes throughout last week, got accumulated exactly at this price level, in this rotation. And from this rotation, from this point of control, strong buying activity started. You can see it in here, or you can also see the rotation in here, and this is the buying activity. So I think that in this rotation, those heavy volumes were volumes of strong buyers, and those buyers were building up their buying positions there, and afterwards they pushed the price upwards. So when the price makes it back to this level, I think that those buyers will be defending their buying positions, and they are likely to push the price upwards again. The exact value of the level is at 80.70. Let's now have a look at the Euro Japanese yen. There's another trading idea, another intraday trading idea. As you can see, the pair is moving upwards, Euro is getting stronger, and within this upwards movement, there is this nice rotation in which pretty heavy volumes got accumulated. You can see the volumes very nicely on the weekly profile, or you can also see the volumes if you look inside this rotation with a flexible volume profile. So this is basically the volume accumulation setup. Buyers building up their positions in here, afterwards pushing the price upwards. When the price makes it back to this level, those buyers are likely to start defending their buying positions and to push the price upwards. This is not the only reason I like this level. There are more reasons. If you look, for example, in this area, then you can see that it was strong resistance in the past because the price bounced off this area quite aggressively. In this place, also in this place, and also there was a nice reaction in this place. All those reactions to this level. So clearly this level was a strong resistance. When the price went past the level became a support. So currently the level is support, and when the price makes it back to this level, I think that there will be a strong reaction to it. The exact value of the level is at 122.22. Alright, so that's for the Euro Japanese yen. And let's now have a look at the ES, which is futures for Standard & Poor's index. So if you look at the ES, currently there is a strong buying activity. Strong buyers are taking over again. And within this buying activity, there's this little rotation which took place on Friday. This rotation. And from this rotation, strong buying activity started. Aggressive buyers, alright, pushing the price upwards. And I think that in this rotation, those buyers who are building up their buying positions and afterwards pushing the price upwards, initiating this movement. What I also like about this level is that there was an aggressive rejection of lower prices, this candle, swift rejection of lower prices, and afterwards this buying activity started. And there's another confirmation of the level actually. Maybe you've spotted it, it's this rejection of the level in the past, meaning it was strong resistance, And when the price went past the level, past the resistance, it then became a support. Alright, so that's for the intraday trading idea on the ES. The exact value of the level is 2853.75. Alright, that's the long level. Let's now go into the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, where there's another trading idea which I would like to share with you. This one is not an intraday trading idea. This one is more of a swing trade idea, because the stop loss and profit target should be bigger than if it was an intraday trading idea. So the level is at 0.9348. Let me just show you the level on all the charts. If you look at the weekly profile, the volume profile from previous week, this one, you can see that the level is exactly at the weekly point of control. Very significant area, probably the most significant area in the last week, because it was the point of control. Alright, and from this point of control, strong sell-off started, strong selling activity. So the volumes which got accumulated at the point of control, or the volumes which created the point of control, were most likely sellers entering most of their positions in here, in this rotation, before the start of this selling activity. So I think that when the price makes it back to this point of control, those sellers will start selling again. They'll start pushing the price downwards into a sell-off. Alright? So this is basically the volume accumulation setup. You've also probably noticed that there are strong rejections of this area in the past, all those rejections, meaning that it was a strong support in the past. This level was a strong support. And when the price finally went past it, the support then became a resistance. So this is another confirmation of the short level based on the point of control. Alright? In my opinion, the stop loss for this trade should be at least above this rejection of higher prices. So roughly 20 pips. Alright, the stop loss should be roughly 20 pips. Take profit at least 20 pips. So that's the swing level on the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar at 0.9348. Alright, so that's for the weekly trading ideas for this week, guys. I hope you like them. And if you would like to trade with me every day, if you would like to get some more trading education, and if you would like to get my trading levels every day, then you are welcome to join our trading community. If you go to my website, trader-dale.com, and if you go to Dale's Forex course, you can join us there. Just scroll down this page, and in here, you can purchase the course. Currently there's a summer sale, 35% off, so it's a nice opportunity to go and join us for a lower price. What I recommend is getting this one, this package, because not only you'll get the pro trading course, but you'll also get the volume profile package. That's the NinjaTrader 8 volume profile package, which I developed, which I use. It's a professional tool. That's the tool you saw in today's analysis. Alright, that's the tool I used today. So anyways, I hope you liked the video, guys, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time. Until then, happy trading.